I mean, for how long do people expect one Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to be the one always to sacrifice? Always to sacrifice. And then after sacrificing, they mess up the country. In fact, Kenyans had assumed at Jacaranda, when I said Raila tosha mara ya tatu, I remember Brother Gideon, we're meeting at the gents, he said, for me, therefore, this is an automatic thing. People did not expect there would be a contest and then a dragging through the mud of one who has selflessly said, this country is more important than all of us. Now I'm saying, Kenya is important, yes, but those citizens living within our boundaries have a duty and responsibility to each other. My brother Raila knows I'm naming my running mate. In fact, from Mombasa, he came home to try to convince me to accept his choice of our sister Martha Karua. We did not agree, and I said, let's sleep over it. We slept over it, and last night we are at it. We did not again agree, so this is why we agreed that you will name Mother and I will name my running mate today. It so happens that my name, as we speak, is before the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission as a presidential candidate for Wiper Democratic Movement. Some people have expressed doubts about what can happen. To be honest with you, I'll be very frank and open. If Oka had not been messed up under this legal situation, I would have convinced my brother Gideon to be my running mate. Pleased to introduce my brother Entro Letepa Sunkuli.
Aha! Wapi kelele!
And make him order hand.